So changing out the headlights is pretty easy. This is one of the genius things about the Discovery. It's easy to remove the headlights and do the bulb change. So the first you need to do is to remove the grill. So there are 4 pins here, and there are 2 pins on the second row here. One on the far right and one on the far left. You can feel them. They go upwards. And the 4 on top, just push them down. So easy to take the grill off. Then to get the light off, you have to pull on these levers here upwards, and they can be a bit slow. So if you can't do it by hand, you can use a screwdriver, a flat. So need to come up, not all the way. They're gonna need to fit in the hole in the lever here. This one usually a pain, so that I often use a flat iron. So I'm gonna get that. Yeah. So the best way to do it is against the body here on the side, but be careful not to damage the paint. Like so. And also with this one, take it up, and then you need to feel if it comes loose or not. So yeah. So that's the light off. Now you need to take off the connection, the wiring harness, not harness, the wiring connection here. If it haven't been off for a while, it can be a bit stuck. So a lot of dust there. So that's it, easy peasy to take off the light. So to get to the light, you need to turn this lid here, and it's out. So this is how it looks inside. So on this it says lock that way. So if you turn it anti-clockwise, it unlocks, and you can remove the wire, and then you get access to the light itself, or the bulb. And it's the same here, regular with a spring, and then you can just take out the bulb. So I got a new bulb here. The naming of the bulb is this is Xenon, so but it has D2S, which is the type. That means the connection type on the rear here. You can also see how much power it turns out, 35 watts, and the color of the lights. So you have 5,000 Kelvin, which means it's almost daylight. Daylight is around 5,005 or 5,006 Kelvin. So that's the new light. See if we can compare it to the other. I don't see any difference, so don't take the wrong one. The only thing is that looks like something is in metal inside of there. That's changed color. So this is lighter, the reused one, and this is darker. Let's put the new bulb in. Same procedure as taking it out. There are some grooves. Let's see if we can use your here. There are some grooves which will align inside of here, so you cannot do this wrong. So you see the top groove goes almost straight up, the big one, and then you have one on the top side here. Then you just put it back on the spring, which holds it in place, and then you can put the wiring back on. And same here, so you put it on an angle, like with a twist, and you turn it in the direction it said, clockwise, lock. So same procedure with getting the light in. You need to connect the wiring first. And also here, there's just one way this will fit. Just get it properly on so you can make sure that it clicks on like so. So you can hear the click when the latch catches. Then put the light back in and push down like so. And there you have it, changing the light bulb on Discovery 3 with the Xenon lights. Xenon? I don't know. But easy, you can do it yourself. And yeah, let's do the next one. So same thing here. Get the latches up. Let's see. Get into the line. Use the screwdriver on the other one. Be careful with the body. Like so, it's loose. Seems not quite. Like so. Disconnect the wiring and the light is up. Take off the lid. It can be a bit heavy or tough to get off. Take out the wiring like so. Then that bulb is out. Then we need a new one. Don't drop the light, it's too expensive. So we are lining the grooves on top here. Let's see, get that back. Lining the grooves like so. Put the spring back on, holds it in place, it's in place. And get the wiring, put it on bit of a angle or twist. Let's see. Not too much. Just a little bit. And then twist it to lock it clockwise. And that's on. Put the lid back on. Twist it to lock it. Put the wiring. Make sure it seats on seats properly, and you can hear the click like so. Put it back. Push down the levers like so, and your lights are done. New light bulbs. And then we can refit the grill again. So this can be a bit slow to enter, but just sure you hear the click. And that's that. Bulb change from Discovery 3, super easy. So yeah, good luck.